Aries, welcome back to my channel, and this is your reading for the month of October 2021. So let's begin shuffling. Okay, first week. Second week. Third week. Fourth week. And the fifth week. Okay. Oops, I think two cards fell out. I saw the Apprentice first, so the Apprentice and the Postulant. One more time. I knew some card was trying to come out. Okay. Third week. Fourth week. And the fifth week. So let's begin. Those who are new to my channel, please note that this is a reading directly from the book of Nostradamus. So I will be referring to this book for all your cards, a famous prophet of the 15th century. So let's begin. First week, where we have the Two of Sons and the Apprentice card. I feel that some of you are working very hard, or if this is your own business, then there is somebody who is working very hard, who is very loyal, hardworking, dedicated person in your life, in your workplace. And if this is you, then yes, you are training under somebody around this time and you're working very hard, learning something new, okay. Yeah, so this is a card. Two of Sons is a card of possibilities, of a card, maybe you just joined a job, you just joined a training, you are an apprentice there, you're working very hard. Somebody who around you, maybe a colleague or your boss, is a very hot temper, or it could be you, but I don't feel it's you somehow. I feel that the person in your life around this time has a very hot temper, and you might get into quarrel with this person. You know that you're very hardworking, they know that they're very hardworking, but they have a hot temper, so beware of that. Otherwise, I see that you will be showing a lot of maturity in dealing with this person, and you will be just focusing on your work and avoiding what this person has to say to you. There will be achievements. So if you do this, there will be achievements. You will be, you'll get a reward, or you will be able to complete that training with good remarks on your sheet. So remember that, okay. Just don't be overbold, just don't get into quarrel in the first week at your workplace. Avoid that, avoid fights with the people who have power over you, which means people, your bosses, people who are senior to you. Avoid all that kind of things, and show some maturity at your workplace. This card calls for that. Yeah, you are working with I think a lot of concentration, and you are being a very good apprentice and very good negotiator as well. Just avoid all the quarrels and fights and here and there in the first week, okay. Second week, we have the Magician card and the 11 of Postulant. Like I said, if you will show maturity at your workplace, if you will not get into fight with your seniors and your bosses, then I think you will be able to make life of what you want. So if you want that promotion, you want that next position, you want a permanent job in your workplace, you will be able to do that, because you have the Magician card besides you. But you will have to show maturity. A Magician card can basically make life as they want. They have the Magician's wand at this point of time. So but you'll have to also show some sort of caution. There are new possibilities that are waiting for you, only if you show a little bit of maturity, not get into fights with somebody. So just I believe just take everything with a pinch of salt. Just ignore as much as you can in the month of October. Don't get into the fight, and you will be able to achieve what you want. Trust me. because you have the skills. With the magician, he has the skills, he has the willpower, you know, he has that diplomacy that we talked about in the other card also, negotiator, right? So he has the diplomacy skills, he has the cleverness, he has everything, he has mind over matter. So definitely just show certainty, just show maturity, and you will get what you want. Yeah, because you see the 11 here postulant, the 11 of stars here is a card of impulse. So you might be I don't want you to be impulsive in your decisions, or impulsive, or quick to react, or quick to act, or quick to say things to your seniors, and that might backfire. So you have to be very careful, because cards are in your favor. If you will help yourself, the cards will help you. That is the kind of picture that I'm getting from the universe. So you be smart, you avoid the fights, you avoid the backbiting, and avoid the back answering with your seniors and colleagues around this time, and you will get what you want. Okay, this is a card where it talks about an active youth or about his curiosity. So don't try to poke your noses where it's not needed. Mind your own business and things will be fine. Okay, the third week, guys. Yeah, 9 of Suns and the 4 of Moons. Let's see what it has to say. 9 of Suns and the 4 of Moons. I feel that, I feel that it is just like unavoidable. Here, right here, the 9 of Suns talks about, a kind of attack at you personally or at work. So there is definitely somebody, maybe if it's, your colleague or your boss, or if it's a new workplace, people try to bring you down. So that kind of attack is happening. So that's why this will bring a lot of, you'll get into a defensive mode, you'll fight with people, there will be a lot of frustration if you're not basically talking back, because either you will fight, okay, either you will fight back, like you can see this lion or tiger or whoever this animal is, has a sword, so you in its hand, so you are ready to fight. You think that you're being attacked, and that's why you're ready to fight, you're being defensive. And of course, if you're not fighting back like I asked you to, then there is a lot of frustration as well. So I see a lot of frustration because people are trying to attack you on your, maybe your reputation, your work, trying to bring you down, and that is bringing you a lot of frustration and a kind of stagnation also. This is also a card which says that you need to suspend operations, to take a break and reassess the situation. So if you feel that, if you have that kind of time in your hand and that kind of luxury where you can take a break, then please take a break. Okay, then just be away from people, all these people, maybe apply for leaves or whatever. If this is your business, just stay away for some time, for maybe the 3rd week of October, and try to see if the situation gets better. Because both the cards talks about such vibes, weariness, dejection, boredom. So I see that you have been quarreling, or people have been talking behind your back, and you know about it, which is obviously draining your energy. When you're surrounded by such people, you don't feel good, right? Your energy drains. So I feel that there is a sense of weariness in your energy, dissatisfaction also, bitterness also, and sometimes people, you might feel that you're stuck with the wrong people, or you're stuck in the wrong job. I suggest that if you can take leaves around this time, take a break and stay away from people, or mind your own business, do stuff like that, okay, so that you're not getting into any kind of trouble around this time, because I can sense trouble. Okay, the 4th week we have the 3 of Spheres and the 1 of Suns. Yeah, so I feel that first 3 weeks must be hard for you, will be hard for you, okay? And if you take my advice, if you stay away, maybe go on leaves or try to mind your own business and not answer back, even if you really want to, and you might feel frustrated because of that, and I'm really sorry that I'm suggesting you to, but it will only help you. Why I say that? Because this three of spheres here talks about success beginning to develop. So people will see, people will see you for who you are, your bosses will see your work, and everybody just will see, and let this time pass. I suggest is let these first 3 weeks of October pass, and situation will get better. Success will begin to develop. If you can't see success and you feel that you're stuck in this stupid job with no promotion, no appreciation, and people always trying to bring you down, then things are going to get better, I feel. Why I say that? Because the one of suns is also here, which talks about success, which talks about new beginning, which talks about that you can go forward with anything that you want to. It is a go forward card from the universe. So I feel that just try and be quiet and in your own zone for the 3 weeks of October, and then situation will definitely improve in your life, okay? Because this is a card of maybe you'll get a new idea on how to do things, or new perspective. Maybe maybe you get a new job and you get to change it, and maybe you get a new department, so it's a birth of new idea, it's a birth of new place, it can be anything. So something is changing in the 4th week, and that's why you'll have to really take everything with a pinch of salt in the first 3 weeks, so that you just get basically get past through these 3 weeks. And this is definitely, both the cards talk about beginning, so definitely something is beginning. Things are looking brighter towards the end of October, guys, so don't lose hope. The 5th week we get to the Emperor, which is the 4 card, and the new fight. Like I said, things are beginning to develop, success is beginning to develop, okay, in the 4th week. So this Emperor card also talks about stability. So it was a little unstable. I could see that your work life is really unstable. I can't see love as of now. I don't know what's happening in your love life, but I think your focus is all on whatever is happening in your career right now, Aries. So you will get that stability back, okay? 5th week. Yeah, see, this is a card of loyalty, this is a card of devotion, this is a card of reflection, observation, discretion, learning, work, a studious youth. So you have shown all these skills in the first 3 weeks, and it's not gone unnoticed, trust me. Because this Emperor, you definitely, if this is not you, then this is the kind of father figure or authority figure in your life who is noticing all these skills in you. They saw that you have not been fighting with people, no matter what they said, you were just so focused on your work, and that's why they want to reward you for that. That's why they want to maybe give you that permanent job, that kind of stability that was not there all this while, that kind of forward movement in your life, so that you can get away with all this stuff. It also talks about law and reasoning. So if some of you were waiting for some kind of decision to come, please be assured that it is coming in your favor. If you obviously stay in your mind your business, don't fight with anyone, then things will turn out to be really good for you in October. Trust me, you will get that stability. You will accomplish all that success, that position, everything, because this is also a card of accomplishment. This is a card of male authority. Maybe you are getting the authority now, or this is somebody in your life who are noticing all these qualities in you. So yes, you will get that appreciation, that title, that accomplishment that you're waiting for. Just be patient in the first 3 weeks of October, dear Aries, and things will turn out to be just fine. So I think your message is just to mind your own business, okay? Stay away from people in the first 3 weeks, I suggest. I hope you guys took whatever that is you wanted to take from this reading, and it helped you. Please press the like button and subscribe if you like this reading, and I will see you guys soon. Bye bye.